Hello students, I think that you have understood the poem very well, Standard 8 Bal Bharti, English Bal Bharti, in which under first unit 1.1 it was a time to believe. The poem, very nice, interesting poem, and now is turn to take the writing section in your hand. In your notebook, we have made a separate notebook. I hope that everybody has done the same, and accordingly in the same notebook, textual part notebook, you must begin from today. First thing you have to write is, here you can see the poem you have to write in neat, nice handwriting. First thing is, you have to write the poem in neat and nice handwriting. You can use colors over here. You can use your own imagination. You can use any pictures related to the poem. You can stick, you can draw, you can color, you can do anything. It's all about your own imagination. So first thing in today's work is, you have to write the poem nicely, neatly in neat handwriting. Second thing is the warming up section. From this year, one more section is given to you, and that is warming up section. What is warming up? You might have heard the word warming up before going to any main thing. We do some warming up activity exercise. And hence here with the same aim, same intention, some warming up activities are given to you which are very nice, very interesting, and you will love them while doing so. So in this poem, A Time to Believe, first warming up activity is given, and that is, you have to fill up the web diagram. A web diagram is given here, and in the same section, you have to think, you have to choose, and you have to fill the labels with what a sunrise symbolizes. Sunrise means a very positive energy you get while you watch the sunrise. So sunrise symbolizes positivity always. Here some words are given to you. You have to read each and every word carefully, and then you have to fill up the diagram here. Fill up the boxes in which the words must be suitable to the sunrise. For example, here jewelry. Yes, we can remember jewelry when we look at the sunrise. You can write up there jewelry. Art, yes. Hope, oh, always hope. Whenever you look at the sunrise, a new sunrise always symbolizes hope. Birth, yes. Anger, do you get angry when you look at the sun rising in the sky? No. So anger, as it is a negative feeling, and as sunrise symbolizes positivity, you should never write there any negative feeling. So read carefully all these words and then fill up the boxes. Actually, it is already given to you the answers here, but still you can make on your own way. You can do this on your own, with your own imagination, whatever you want. The web diagram you can make. It's not compulsory that you should make this way only. Okay, but the answers must be correct. Second is under this warming up activity. Second activity is an acrostic. See here. This is first question. Second question is an acrostic. What is an acrostic? The word might be new, might be having an idea about this acrostic word. Acrostic is a poem or a write-up in which the first letter of each line forms a word when it is read vertically. Complete the acrostics of believe and faith. Every letter of the given word begins with some or the other words or phrases or sentences. But one important thing you have to remember here is, whatever you write in the acrostic, it must be vertically. You should not write horizontally, giving comma between, one down another. Means B, then down E, then down L, then I, then E, then V, and then E. Here it is written, you can see here. One second. See here. FRIEND. How it is written? In vertical way, you have to write in the same way. Again, every phrase or whatever begins, it must begin with the first letter of the given letter. That is, F says fellow in all my secrets, friends. Then R says rhythm to my life. I says innocence unlimited. E says ego for stupid reasons. Then N says never tired of making jokes. And D says dearest creature on this planet. So this way, here two acrostics are made. Actually, you can write your own acrostics here. No problem. You can write another things in the given acrostic word. Okay. So you have to make acrostic of belief and faith. Do try your own imagination. Okay, students. So this was warming up activity. Every time for every lesson there is warming up activity in which you will go through some nice interesting activities. Okay. Now next section is introduction. Introduction of the poem is given here. You have to write down the introduction in your notebook nicely and clearly. First, this is cancelled. Second paragraph, can you see here? That is the introduction of the poem. A Time to Believe is an inspiring and beautiful poem. Whatever is written ahead, write down the same. Next is glossary part. Glossary means what? New words whichever you have not came through before and which are somewhat difficult. You have to write down the words and their meanings in your notebook under the section glossary. Now next section is, see here, word class is also written. You can write there giving bracket, or you can write this way separately the word class of these words. Next is English workshop, section D. English workshop. Here some questions are given in your textbook. Do refer your textbook, otherwise the PDF of the textbook which I have sent already, you can open it, you can go through the questions and then you can go through the meanings of the questions, read the questions carefully, try to find out the answers on your own and then only copy down from the given PDF. Do not just copy down, don't keep that habit, don't make it a habit of copying down only. Reading is very important and essential thing for study of language. So read first, then write down. Here two questions are there. Actually there are 4 questions in this workshop section. Next section is language study and next is appreciation of the poem. Under language study, we'll take that language study part whenever you will come to school directly. And appreciation of the given poem, I have sent one video to you. Just watch the video and accordingly try to write the appreciation of this poem with the help of the given points. Okay, you have to write on your own. Answer is not provided. Let's see who all are capable to write the appreciation of the poem. So appreciation of the poem, before writing the appreciation, go through the given video and then only write down the appreciation of the poem in the end of this lesson poem. Okay, so here unit 1 and under unit 1, 1.1, A Time to Believe poem completes in all. All writing sections we have covered, only language study section we have kept, which we will see later. So I hope that everybody has understood what all things are given today and accordingly you will complete today's work nicely, neatly. Till next time, bye.